Now, stating this, that unless your role has had disabled personalizing, you should be able to hit settings, press the cog, and personalize. From Personalize, you get the freedom to see a few things just here. The first and foremost is you can't break the system. If you need to clear your personalization, right next to the Done button, you can clear the menu, fields, or all. As soon as I hit yes, it's going to reload my page. But when I'm personalizing, I can start to see things that were hidden before. So up the top here, I might want to hide the insights. I might want to sales invoices predicted overdue. Sounds great, but I'm gonna hide that field just there. Hide. Awesome. And so personalization isn't just your home screen. You can go into items, and I can start personalizing views and lists. So in this list right now, I don't want description 2, so I'm going to hide it. You know, we're not using bombs and routing, so I'm going to hide that. But I'm missing some information that I want. So just up the top left, I want you to hit Add Field. And now you can see all the fields that are available to turn around and drag into this view. All right, let's have a look at something. So I want to know the inventory posting group. Price profit calculation. That sounds good. The unit cost would be nice. I'm going to put that over here. And I would like to move the unit price to the left. So I can drag my columns around. I can now expose fields. So the last thing here is if I click on an item, it's going to load a card. And from a card view, I have the same freedom to hide or expose. And so right now I can drag in this G10. I'm going to drag it here under description and let it go. Against the G10, I can say show when collapsed or show under show more. I'm going to click show more. So now hit done. I've personalized my view. I can see my G10 when I hit show more. Personalization is powerful. It's power to the user to really set yourself up in a way that you will feel comfortable. What's really, really great is that when you go and change companies now, so you flick between multi-entities, your view, your personalization will stay the same, and it will follow you through each of your companies that you go and work in for your organization.